Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Dose. So today I'm going to show you what skincare products do I use in my morning routine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm just going to wash my face with a face wash, and the face wash which I use is this Aha Glow S face wash. This is for oily and combination skin type, and as it has salicylic acid and glycolic acid, it is very good for acne prone skin as well. I use this because it suits me and it helps me in getting rid of acne. So first I'll just wash my face with this face wash. I highly recommend for oily and combination skin type. I'll just wet my face, and today I'm going to show you how to correctly wash your face because I've seen many people washing their face in a wrong way. तो मैं आज आपको करेक्ट वे सिखाऊंगी. It is a foaming face wash. So what you need to do, be very gentle when you massage your face while doing a face wash. बहुत softly, gently massage करना है. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से रब नहीं करना. It's very bad for your skin. So just gently massage with your 3 fingers, like gently. Then wait for 10 seconds and then wash your face with the water. Now I'll just wash my face with water and we'll get back to you. After doing face wash, I use a toner, and the toner which I use is this from Kaya Purifying Toner. Amazing toner for oily and combination skin type, and it comes with this spray bottle, so you just have to spray like this and just let this get absorbed in the skin. But I use it in this way because I feel it doesn't get wasted in cotton and everything get absorbed in my skin. So I like to use toner like this. वंस द टोनर इज़ एब्जॉर्ब्ड, उसके बाद हमें मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करना चाहिए, और कोई भी मॉइस्चराइज़र आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन टाइप. और उससे पहले मैं क्या यूज़ करती हूँ, दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम बायोडर्मा. दिस इज़ पोर रिफाइनर, and what it does, it just minimizes your pores and just blurs out your pores, and I use it in my skincare routine as well as a primer before makeup because it blurs out the open pores, so it helps in flawless foundation. As well as I use it as a skincare product because it helps in minimizing the pores. So those who have open pores, I highly recommend this product from Bioderma. Amazing product. I just love this product. Then after that, I use a moisturizer. You can use your moisturizer according to your skin type. Mine is combination skin type, so I go for this Kaya Purifying Nourisher. So I take 1 pump. As it is gel based, it is very light on the skin. And whatever product you use on your face, you must use it on your neck as well, because हमारी neck को भी बहुत nourishment की ज़रूरत होती है, not just the face. So don't ignore your neck. And always apply a moisturizer in this direction, upward direction. Don't apply like this, it will make your skin saggy. ठीक है, हमेशा इस तरीके से आपको moisturizer को use करना है in the upward direction, तो आपकी skin हमेशा tight रहे, beautiful रहे. After that, I use the sunscreen. This is La Shield. This is La Shield sunscreen. Amazing sunscreen for all skin types. I take around this much and just gently apply this with the fingertips in patting motion so that it remains on the upper layer of the skin. और एक और बात मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, सनस्क्रीन हमें घर के अंदर भी लगाना चाहिए बिकॉज यूवी रेज इज़ प्रेजेंट एवरीवेयर. जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तब तो हमें सनस्क्रीन लगाना ही चाहिए, बट अगर हम घर पे हैं तभी भी हमें सनस्क्रीन लगाना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज यूवी रेज तो हर जगह प्रेजेंट है, इवन व्हेन वी आर एट होम. So it really harms your skin, and when you apply a sunscreen, it works as an anti-aging as well. And after that I use a lip balm. This is from Biotique Bio Fruit, and it comes like this in a jar. You don't need to apply this again and again. Once in the morning if I apply, मुझे दोबारा लगाने की ज़रूरत लगती ही नहीं. और बेस्ट है अगर आप डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट या मतलब स्किन डॉक्टर के पास जाकर अपना स्किन के अकॉर्डिंगली प्रोडक्ट्स चूज़ करते हैं तो वो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. इवन आई रिकमेंड टू एवरीवन, वंस इन अ ईयर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं भी होती है, देन ऑल्सो आई विजिट माई डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट कि मुझे अब क्या यूज़ करना चाहिए, कोई फेस वॉश चेंज या मॉइस्चराइज़र चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं है. जैसे एक्ने प्रॉब्लम है या किसी को पिगमेंटेशन है, तो यू शुड इमीडिएटली गो टू अ डॉक्टर when you see a problem rather than going for home remedies. Ask your friends, don't do that, because they are not an expert. So your dermat is the right person to guide you. हम क्या करते हैं, जब भी हमें कोई पिगमेंटेशन होता है, जब भी कोई एक्ने निकलता है, पहला एक्ने, we ask our friends, we ask our mom कि क्या करना चाहिए. ठीक है, आप उनसे पूछिए, बट बेस्ट इज़ व्हाट आई रिकमेंड इज़ जब टीन एज में जब एक्ने स्टार्ट होता है या कुछ भी स्टार्ट होता है, इमीडिएटली गो टू योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हु कैन सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम्स एट इनिशियल स्टेज ओनली. बिकॉज क्या होता है, एक्ने प्रॉब्लम एक ऐसी सीवियर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है आगे बढ़ के, फिर उसके एक्ने मार्क्स हो जाते हैं. तो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट, डोंट डिले द प्रोसीजर. ऑलवेज यूज़ products which suits your skin and follow this religiously, then only you will see the result. So this is what I follow. So CTMP, this is cleansing, toning, moisturizing and protection. Cleansing is cleaning with your face wash, toning is applying toner with your any toner, or you can do icing, or you can use rose water as a toner. M stands for moisturizing your face with any moisturizer according to your skin type. And the last but not the least is the protection. You must be protected from UV rays, so you should apply sunscreen. That is protection. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload a videos you get to know immediately. So take care, bye, love you all.